Hello guys, what's going on? On this problem, it's pretty simple. Half-life problem. All you gotta do, take 832.8 nanograms and you divide it by 2. And you're gonna do that. You divide that by 2, and you're gonna get 416.4 nanograms. Divided by 2 again, you're gonna get 208.2 nanograms. You divide it by 2 again, and you're gonna get 104.1 nanograms, which is the answer. So we divide it by, to get the half-life, basically half-life means if you divide a substance by 2, or you basically in some unit time, you're going to have half that substance left. So if we take 832.8 nanograms and we divide that by 2, we're going to get 416.1 nanograms. So half of 832.8 is that 416.4 in that's half of the substance. Now, to get to half of it, for it to degrade to half of it or decrease to half of it, it took some unit time to do that. So we can even solve for the half-life. So to go from 832.8 nanograms to 104.1 nanograms, we had to divide the substance by 2 3 times. So we had to half it 3 times. So since we had to half it 3 times to go from 832.8 nanograms to 104.1 nanograms, then it took 3 half-lives. Okay. It just said that on the other page, it said that it gave you the days, like it gave you the total days. I think it was like 47 days from reading the problem. Take that total days, and basically what you're going to do is divide by the number of half-lives, by the number of times you had to divide to get the half. Then, for instance, we went from 832.8 nanograms. We divided by 2, we got 416.4 nanograms. We divided by 2 again to get 208.2 nanograms. We divided by 208.2 nanograms by 2 again to get 104.1 nanograms. Okay, we did that 3 times. So what I'm saying is you got to take the 47 days, I think, that they gave you from the problem, and specifically the number of days that you started with from the problem, divide that by 3, because it took us 3 half-lives to get to the other number, the 104.1 nanograms. So that's why we're taking that 3 and we're applying it to the numbers of days they originally gave it to us in the problem. So you take 47, you divide by 3, and you get 15.6 days. So then you go back to the problem and you say, okay, specifically, every time I did a half-life, it was 15.6 days to get to that amount. So like, for instance, you got 832.8 nanograms, you divide that by 2 or 1 half-life to get to 416.4 nanograms. Okay, true. Well, how long did it take for 832.8 nanograms to degrade into 416.4 nanograms? Okay, that took 15.6 days based off, the analysis that we just did. So that's how you go about that, guys. You have a good day.